Hey, it's Hot Rod, your crazy redneck, freaking eagle channel. Gonna start this engine up here. It's going in the Corvette that I've been talking about. I'll be honest with you, I started a while ago, the first time since I had it on the stand getting it ready. It started even after I put the distributor wires, everything. I'm not bragging, but sometimes things go right. And I hit the starter button. It scared me to death. It started as soon as I hit the button. Alright, I'm going to start this on a little stand there. It could jump off, fall off, whatever. It's a video. I want to get too radical. A little button here, my battery, a little gas can. Got a hot wire going up to the distributor. That's all you need. Hit the key. Crazy, isn't it? I gotta tell you, Chevy guys, I got a Mustang, Ford Mustang radiator sitting sideways. It's the only thing I had, but it worked. I don't want to rev it too much. I've been picking up pieces. I got an alternator bracket to make it so I can adjust it out more. As you can see, the belt's a little bit loose. In that thing right there. This thing got a terrible zoom on it. I've had this engine here for probably back in the, I don't know, I've had it 20 years, I know. No, that ain't true. I'm sorry. I got this out of a truck. Got from a friend and took it out. I've probably had it 10 years. Just waiting for a special moment. Brand new AEG carburetor. The chrome water neck is leaking. Got the one that got the rubber around it and it had corrosion on it. Really proud of that project. Come together nice. That's it!